Paper clutter has always been a challenge for me. It just seems to grow and just multiply on its own. I almost feel like they're like the gremlins, you sprinkle a little water on it and then they're just multiplying. But I have figured out a system to help me keep paper clutter at bay, and that is the use of my Sunday basket. So today I'm going to go through this pile of mail and I'm going to see what's trash, what needs to be filed and can be put away, and what I need to take action on. And then I'll get my basket reorganized. So let's get it started. Well, I've taken care of my paper dragon. I've got my overflowing paper pile neatly organized and filed away. I'm using my Sunday basket and I've got them organized into loose categories. For example, I've got a folder for action items. Those are items that I either need to pay a bill, make a phone call, or do something that needs to be done pretty soon in that folder. I've got a folder that says file. So there's things in here that I need to file either further back in here or in my longer term filing cabinet. I've got a folder for short term. And short-term things are items that I have to keep for less than a year. Might be something that I want to put my hand on at some point, but I don't have to keep it long-term. I've got a folder for memory items. So I've got a few pictures and cards and things that I want to keep, and I can get those out and put them in a memory bin later. Now, my long-term items are things that I'm going to need to keep for longer periods of time. It could include taxes and insurances and different things like that. So I've divided some of those up just a bit, but it is things that will need to be kept for longer periods of time. I've got a folder for references. For example, the Medicare 2023 handbook. I've got that in here if I need to look something up. One for taxes, one for household repairs, one for medical bills or explanation of benefit statements or something like that. And then I've got a folder for finances. And what do I have in there? Well, you want to put things in there related to your household finances. Pay stubs, because you'll need to keep those for up to a year. Maybe you have some disbursements that you've taken out from your pensions or your other long-term financial plans. You want to keep track of those. But all the things related to finances, you want to keep track of those. And then at the end of the year, when you're paying your taxes, you've got that information. Maybe you can just shred the rest of it. Maybe you need to file it elsewhere. But right now, if you need to put your hands on it, you've got it in a folder. I've got one for insurance. Then I've got a couple extra at the back that I can use for just in case. So it's pretty much a loose filing system, and we keep this basket downstairs in our family room close to where my husband can get access to it since he handles most of this stuff. And then about quarterly, we will go through, shred, discard, file in our long-term filing system, whatever we need to do. But got it done for today. And I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of our 30 Days Decluttering Challenge when we take on makeup and toiletries.